How you doing, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. There's something I want to share with everybody, which I find really amazing if you're into hard-boiled eggs. I guess amazing is a strong word. I got it for Christmas a year ago. It's the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 electric egg cooker. Basically, what this does is hard boils your eggs the easiest and simplest way imaginable. There's no more guesswork about how long to leave the eggs in the water, whether you put the eggs in the water while the water's boiling, whether you put the eggs in the water after the water's boiling. So I'm going to show you the process that we do with the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 egg cooker, electric egg cooker. And basically it's a $20 item on Amazon. So, I mean, you can't go wrong. And this really pays off around Easter time, especially if you have young kids and you're doing the hard-boiled egg thing with the coloring. I know in the past, making hard-boiled eggs, and even you'll see it today, when the kids or the adults try to take the shells off the eggs, half the egg comes off with it. I mean, that's a real pain in the neck, so who needs that? But this is really simple, quick, and easy. It's a short video. I hope you enjoy it. It's a good product. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. All right, so here we have the product right from the Amazon website. Some description here, some pictures to show you what this product exactly is. 20 bucks. So basically, we fill this to the top with water. No matter how many eggs I put in it, I always fill it to the top with water. That's a little bit confusing. There's no exact instructions about how much water to put in. Fill it to the top. Then you pour the water in there to the base. There's your egg holder. Take, I think, 6 eggs up there, maybe 7. But for this purpose, I just put 4 eggs. Gonna make a little egg salad when we're done with this. Put the cover on. Put the power button. The water starts to boil. It probably does take about 15 minutes or so. And then what happens is, when the water gets all the way down to nothing, or it steams off, or I don't know if it's on a timer, you'll hear a little beep. And then once you hear that beep, you can shut it off. Open it up very carefully. Obviously there's hot steam going on there. Protect your hands. Take the eggs and put them into an ice bath. I think the ice bath is supposed to be the key to removing the shells easy. Let it stay in there 5-10 minutes, whatever. And then, here's the best part of it. I always start cracking the eggs at the flatter part of the shell. Peels off in no time. We'll speed this up so you can see, but the shells come right off. No problems. Nice and easy. No more guesswork. I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe. Thanks.